Hi, I'm Mo, and I'm trapped in Fallout. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get your hands on the Xuanlong Assault Rifle. It's a unique Chinese assault rifle that can be found only after completing an unmarked quest called Jiggs Loot. To start the quest, you need to go to the Museum of Technology. The Museum of Technology is located in DC. Once you've made it to the Museum of Technology, go inside. The quest itself can be started by accessing certain terminals and answering certain questions. The moment you enter, go straight south and you will see this terminal here. Open the terminal. Once you do that, select the last option, and in here you will find a note from Jiggs. After you have read the note and closed it, select the last option again, and from here select 19. If you have a look at the last option now, it should say 001 confirmed. Now we need to make our way to the second terminal. To do this, go up the stairs and we will go through the vault tour. The vault tour is a very linear part of the museum. There really aren't any forks in the path, so just follow the path all the way to the end. As we get closer to the end, make a left and enter the west wing of the museum. The moment you enter the west wing, go forward and you will see two terminals. Go to the most furthest one away from you and open the terminal. This terminal contains the second key of this three terminal combination. Select the last option and this time select the number 53. You will see that that has been confirmed. Now we need to make our way to the rocket exhibit. Do this by going down the path south, and as you enter the rocket display, go all the way down. And once we've done that, there will be a terminal located north of the rocket. This is the third terminal. Go ahead and open it. And this time select the last option. And from this, select the number 113. You will now notice that the last option has changed to get password. Go ahead and select this. And you now have the password. You now have the option to go and collect some extra loot from the museum, or you can make directly to Prim, where the Xuanlong Assault Rifle is located. We will quickly collect the loot before we make our way out. The first thing you need to do is head up to the security office, and that's located on the other side of this wing. To do this, we need to go to the very top of the rocket display, and as we get to the very last possible entrance, make your exit and go all the way down following this particular path out, and you will find yourself near the satellite display. Follow this path through all the way down, and as you go down, you will see another entry that leads to the planetarium. Go ahead forward, and this time instead of going to the planetarium, make a slight left and follow the staircase up, and eventually you will find yourself in the security area. Once here, select this terminal, and this will help you to unlock the safe. And then go ahead and open the safe, and in here you will find some caps, buff out, and a gun locker key. We can now use the gun locker key to go down to the planetarium, where there will be a gun cabinet that will contain an array of guns and a missile launcher. So to do this, make your way to the planetarium. And when you're in the planetarium, there will be a small room which will contain a gun cabinet. Inside this gun cabinet, you will find a number of weapons to use. With that, now let's exit the museum, and we will make our way to Prim's location. To do this, simply exit following this particular path. Now that we're out of the museum, we need to travel to Jury Street Metro Station. In case you don't know where that is, it is directly west of Vault 101. So travel to Jury Street Metro Station. Once you travel to the station, if you look immediately to your right, you will see a diner called Dot's Diner. If you now make your way inside the diner, you will locate Prim's body. Searching his body will net you 500 caps along with a few other really nice things, including the Xuanlong Assault Rifle. The Xuanlong Assault Rifle is a unique weapon in the game, and it's an upgrade to the Chinese Assault Rifle. It has an extra damage compared to the Chinese Assault Rifle. It's considered the most powerful rifle in the game. What's really cool about it is you can virtually repair it using Chinese assault rifles, which are pretty much littered throughout the entire game. Another cool thing about the rifle is that it holds up to 36 bullets, as opposed to 24 bullets that the Chinese rifle holds by default. And that's basically it. This was a quick guide on how to get your hands on the Xuanlong Assault Rifle.